Hey my friends. Today we come together and take a look on how Whatever by Kygo was made. This song was produced by Kygo and the producer Peter Martin. The song is basically a new interpretation of the song by Shakira. So let's dive into the song and let's remake it. But wait, let me tell you something crazy first. All samples and presets used for this track is from my Melodic House Essentials pack called Lion 2.0. But that's not the crazy part. The crazy part is that on the 9th of February, I will drop my EDM Essentials bundle, which includes all of my EDM sample packs, with a total of 4,460 samples and 2,626 presets, and the first 50 people will get a crazy 84% discount. So guys, stay tuned for that. Okay, first put the tempo to 108 BPM, and the chord progression is simple. C minor, G sharp major, D sharp major and A sharp major. Take these exact chord and put it into a guitar plugin like these. And I added a little layer of synth chords. For the background ambience I added an ambience sample. For some energy I added a bunch of downlifters. For the rhythm I added a clap loop. And together with the vocal this part sounds like this. Great, now we coming for the break. In this part the main melody gets introduced. Kygo makes his melody with a MIDI keyboard just vibing to the chords. All I can say is that his melodies are very catchy and happy. To achieve a Kygo style sound, we need to layer a bunch of plucks and leads. Let me show you the pluck layer first. For the processing I use dot compression, a low cut, some frequency compression, sidechain, some delay, automated reverb, and some more EQ, and this is what the full pluck stack is sounding together. Beautiful. But to make this melody more present in the mix, we support it with a bunch of sick lead presets. I cut out the lows, added delay, automated reverb and sidechain. The plucks and leads all together are sounding like this. It's sounding sick. Right here we need to add a sub-drop sample like this. And in the second part of the break we need more energy to make the people excited for the drop. I added a couple of Kygo style pianos from Nexus and Contact. Then I added a plucky synth pattern. And some riser samples and a Kygo style drum build up, which is the only sample that is not mine. And as quick as this, we came to the drop. The signature thing in Kygos tracks are his vocal chop melodies. I chopped up the vocal and put it in two plays like in the original song and added reverb. Then I took the piano MIDI from before and put it into some synth chords. They have simple processing like OTT, EQ, sidechain and a filter to cut out more highs. Then we need a bouncy bass like this. All elements in the drop are of course sidechained. For some energy I added a bunch of crashes and downlifters. And for the drums I used a punchy kick, some snares and drum loops. And it might sound crazy but that's basically all you need. Now before we listening together to the final result, I have 3 great news for you. First, you can download these FLP with all the used samples and presets for 100% free on my website, link in the description. Second, I recommend you the Lion 2.0 sample pack if you want to make tracks like this because it has over 1000 samples and 500 presets which are perfect for the melodic house genre. And third, if you take your music seriously, you need to get my EDM Essentials bundle which drops on the 9th of February at 8 PM European time. It includes all my EDM sample packs of the last years coming with over 7000 sounds in total. And the first 50 people get a crazy 84% discount. No joke guys, this is the craziest deal I've ever done. Okay, enough of advertisement, now my friends let's listen to my remake together and vibe. Guys, even I had a musical identity crisis the last year. I thank you for keep watching my videos. Much love.